Hi, it's me Avyakt. Welcome to Avyakt.com, and today we're going to talk about a very extreme weather condition. Extreme weathers are many things, but now we're going to first talk about the weather. The weather is a very funny thing. If it gets sunny, you can chillax like this in the beach. But if it gets rainy, it will be a very bad day. But even sometimes it'll get warm and cold. And when they both touch each other and when they go and twist, that means they are called extreme weather condition. And one of the most powerful weathers on earth is called the tornado. A tornado is a weather that's super powerful, and it was super powerful that it could even pick up a garden house or even your normal common house. So this is how we know. A tornado is also called a twister because it twists, in fact. And tornadoes are also not for exploring. Never ever go to explore for a tornado, because a tornado is also very, very deadly. I mean, if you go near to the tornado, it will pick you up. So a tornado will happen all over the world except Antarctica, but one of the most famous places where it'll happen is North America. North America and the United States. It'll happen in the prairie or other places in the United States. Even tornadoes are also, you can see the top of their body. And then they are very, very magnificent. They reach the clouds up till the sky, until there. Until then, they will pick up everything. They could also pick up the most heaviest creatures, even rhinos, elephants, hippos, and sometimes even giraffes. But they are very, very, very deadly. So, a tornado, never go to exploring. They are also very similar to hurricanes, but a tornado, the difference is that a tornado is more stronger and bigger. A hurricane is more lighter and a little bit strong, but not that strong than a tornado. So a tornado is also always gray color, which it is always gray, and it'll happen and upside down, it'll look like a very pointed triangle. If you look upside down in the tornado, you don't have to do that. You can just see it. But never ever go near to the tornado. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to see more of my videos. You can also learn about birds, reptiles, mammals, amphibians, or any other type of thing. Just click the subscribe button and see more of my videos. A tornado! I go back. Bye!